good. Rest is for me. It's one of the things early in my food explorations I thought was someone pulling my leg. Drinking pickle juice. Not, not this vinegar stuff, the fermented pickle juice. Goes great with beer. Huh. Don't be, oh, you're leaking. Huh. All right. Now we'll see how much it weighs. 7.9. I'll go with that. Oh, wait. All right. Cutting board is helpful. Perfect place for it, right? You okay? Well, heard a deep sigh from Lady Wayfair. All right. Mongoose. Why, thank you. We worked hard on that. Try to keep it shorter in the weekdays. But I'm still blathering here, and it's 2 hours in the stream. But we have one dish done already. So for the onion, we do our usual. We're going to do the celery with that. It says 1 large, so we'll go with 1 stick. Excuse me, bud. I think the carrots in this. Grab that on here. And I think there's sour cream too. To your health. Wow. Potent. That's where it is. Funny, when we make our sauerkraut, there isn't much brine left over. Good bit of it gets blown out, I think, but something we should work on, maybe. Still works. All right, Ginger Tea, thank you very much. Thanks for your help with the stream. Have a good night. Give that pup a hug for me. Chopping it, I'm going to have to do this with the kimchi too. Pierogies are, little pillows. Think, if you haven't had them, I'm sure most of you have. Think ravioli. If you haven't had ravioli, have it. If you can find pierogies, if you don't want to make them yourselves, you can buy them at a lot of the place I'm kind of mirroring tonight. In town we have Jimmy's Tavern. And they have a dish that's pierogies with kielbasa, which is what we're making. But we have much more selection than they do. I think theirs is a potato. All right.